Hello, this is my review of Sawyer Premium Permethrin Insect Repellent. This insect repellent repels most insects, most common ones that bother you in the outdoors or in the backyard, like mosquitoes, bugs, ticks, mites. It's designed mostly to spray on fabric like clothing, um, tarps, or general area not designed to spray on your skin, but you could spray on your clothing in the area, and it helps repel the insects or keep them out the area. It doesn't have a very strong odor. It's a pump action bottle, and you can adjust the settings on the sprayer so you can spray in a mist or a stream if needed. I hope this review helps.